Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Depends on which position you're in as being a new subscriber or old subscriber. I do ask that you thumbs up this video if you liked it, or you can down thumb this video if you didn't like it. And I would also ask that you please subscribe and hit the message bell. So getting right along, this is my birthday haul, and my birthday was last month, but I'm just not getting to it. So a lot of stuff I really didn't open. So you're gonna be with me as I open them up. And one of the gifts I got was I bought myself this from the outlet store. And so let's look in the inside. There we go. Alright, getting there. So this is the inside. Ouch. Some more paper. Alright, this is how the inside looks. I think I'm getting it. There we go. In the back of it, as you see, it says Coach. Like I said, I got this from the outlet store. So another one is this here. My son bought this for me for my birthday. So let's open it. And as you see, I haven't worn or opened all this stuff. So I'm opening the majority of the stuff with you. The other stuff I did look at, the stuff from my mom and my cousin. I did look at that when it came in. But this is the one that my son bought me. So let's open it up. Okay, this is how it looks on the inside. Alright, this next bag is from my mom to me for my birthday. Thank you, Mommy. Yes, I call my mommy Mommy at certain times. So let's look at the back of it. Let's look at the inside. I'm trying to get it open with one hand. There we go. Okay, still got paper and stuff in it. Alright. Now, this is also from the Coach outlet. It's a poncho, and this is what I got myself for my birthday. As you can see, this is how it looks. So that says one size fit all. It's kind of big on me. I'm kind of short. I'm like 4 feet 11 and a half. So pretty short. Alright, this next item is from my cousin Mel from Phoenix, all the way to Texas, as she say, to me. Alright, let's see if I can get this open with one hand. Okay. We have some barrettes. Cute, cute. A nail file, which I needed. Because as you guys can see, I rock my own nails. I'm scared to get acrylic nails, especially as the Paula Abdul had hers done, and she set up a infection in her nails. That was like a big turn off for me at that point. I just wasn't off into it anymore. And then you start hearing more people's had those fungus on their nails. I said I could grow mine out. Alright, we had some pressed eyeshadow. What else is in here? What else? What else? Some nail polish. Pretty colors. Okay, what else? Oh my goodness, I love these earrings. Mel, if you're watching this, you did good with these earrings. I so love them. Now I need to buy me an outfit or something to wear them with. These are so cute. I like it. Alright, so now we have a brush to fit into my purse. And now we have a Tattoo Junkie Go Light. Oh, a strobe highlighter. Okay, it's a highlighter. And this was the final one, the makeup bag. So all this and all was pretty good. So I'd like to thank everybody. Oh, and my oldest brother and his wife sent me a Sephora card. So love it. I've already spent it. I could not wait. So thank you to everyone who gave me a gift, including my mom and dad, because their gift was combined this one, even though I said my mom. And to Mel, and to my son, and to myself. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. And depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless. And also remember, on my channel, makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. Bye.